Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Angry Birds 2 Level 39, Easy Method. Aim your first bird at the leftmost wooden support to start a cascade and knock out shields. Follow with the glass-breaking bird to clear mid-platforms, then save the heavy hitter for the remaining clusters. Adjust angle slightly higher if blocks resist, and watch for bouncing debris that can take out hidden pigs. In this video, I will show how to play Angry Birds 2 Level 39, Easy Method. Pick birds to exploit material weaknesses, like glass breakers for glass and heavy birds for stacked wood. Use angled shots to create ricochet damage and aim for weak joints to topple whole sections. Preserve your most powerful bird for a guaranteed finish, and re-evaluate after the first shot if debris leaves new openings. In this video, I will show how to play Angry Birds 2 Level 39, Easy Method. Quick recommendation: grab the simple path to wealth as a fun aside to help you budget gaming time and plan treats. It changed how I think about saving for hobbies. If you like this walkthrough, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Angry Birds 2 Level 39, Easy Method. Aim a little above key joints so gravity helps topple towers and maximize chain reactions. Control your pull strength to fine-tune bounces and avoid overshoot that wastes birds. Watch trajectory lines for precision and wait for the perfect moment if special abilities recharge, then fire to trigger multiple collapses and rack up bonus points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.